Hello guys, in this video we're going to discussing about how to make money online from Amazon. Now in this video we will tell you in detail that how to make money online from Amazon. Amazon is one of the largest online stores in the world. From Amazon you cannot only buy products, rather you can make a great money from Amazon. There are multiple ways to earn money from Amazon. In this video, we are going to share some great ways to earn money from Amazon. So let's start with how to make money from Amazon. Amazon is one of the major sources of earning for the millions of people who earn money by doing jobs or working in an Amazon company. How to make money from Amazon with zero investment. So today we are telling you some of the ways that you can do online earning from Amazon by doing a work from home without investing any single rupee. Amazon affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to earn money from Amazon. It's give you a 20 to 50% commission by selling Amazon products. In affiliate marketing, you have to promote Amazon products and services using your blog, website, Instagram, Facebook page, or from your YouTube channel. You can promote their products on any platform where you have a large number of audience that you can have. Currently, Amazon offers affiliate marketing in more than 10 countries. If you have enough audience, you can apply for Amazon affiliate marketing. Now we're going to discuss about making money from Amazon Mturk. It is a freelance website that is started by Amazon. On this website, freelancers have to do small tasks such as online service worker, making bills, answering questions, and many other small tasks. If you want to work online on the website, then you will get work on this website very easily. Then you can earn a lot from this website by completing it. If you have any skills related to this, then you can grab an offer to this website and can start earning from today. Now you only need to make an account in Amazon Mturk. Amazon Kindle is now we're going to discussing about third method, earn money from Amazon Kindle. Amazon Kindle is for those people who are very fond of writing books. They can write but not able to advertise it or not able to sell it in the market. Then Amazon Kindle is a very great platform for them. Amazon helps them to promote their book on the Amazon website, so your book can reach millions of the people. If anyone finds your book interesting, then they will buy your book, and in return you will get money for that. You can write a book and publish it inside Amazon Kindle in less than 5 minutes. After this, your book will be available for online sale within 24 to 48 hours through Amazon. Now we're going to discussing about on the last option, Amazon data entry. There is a category of Amazon known as customer products, including jewelry, names, mugs, sculptures, paintings, customs, t-shirts, and other costumes. Amazon data entry export hires people for the custom work. Then the custom product is delivered to the buyer or to whom they want to give for their products. If you have this ability, then you can do a data entry for Amazon according to the language of your region and can earn up good money. So guys, this video is going to be end up. In this video, we will tell all of the ways that you can earn money from Amazon. So guys, this video is going to be end up. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any update. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.